Welcome back, creators! Today, we're tackling one of the most common and often frustrating challenges in photography: blurry and soft images. You know the feeling. You've got a great shot, but it just lacks that critical sharpness. In this video, I'm going to reveal my go-to methods for not just sharpening, but truly fixing those blurry bits, bringing back lost detail, and giving your photos the professional edge they deserve. Grab your mouse, open up Photoshop, and let's sharpen things up. Click on subscribe and turn on the post notifications. To follow along with the same photo, I've provided the link to download it inside the description. To start, let's load the photo into Photoshop. To do so, navigate to the top. Click on File, go to Open, select the photo like so, and click on Open to load it into the program. Use the hand tool to zoom in on the canvas so that you can see how blurry the image is. Press Ctrl+J to create a copy of the background image, or go to the Layers panel, right-click, and choose Duplicate Layer and confirm it to create a copy. Create a duplicate again, double-click on the layer, and rename it if you want to. With that layer selected, go to Image, Adjustment, and choose Invert to create a negative film effect, like so. Change the blend mode to Vivid Light. Go to Filter, Blur, and apply Gaussian Blur. Set the radius between 1.6 to 2 pixels. Don't exceed this range. Hold Ctrl to select both layers and press Ctrl+G to put them into a group. Change the blend mode to Overlay. Look at how crispy and sharp the image looks now. Turn on and off the visibility icon to see the before and the after. If you think the effect is too much, you can tone it down by reducing the opacity like this. If you want this to apply to only some areas, add a layer mask to the group. Press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. It changes to black. Navigate to the Tools panel and grab the soft brush. Since the layer mask is black, press X to change the foreground to white, and Paint to apply the effect to the areas it is needed. Looking closely, you can see how detailed the pants are. Want to export the final work? Go to File, Export, when the Export window pops up. Move the quality slider to High and change the format to JPEG. Confirm the settings and save them. So you've mastered how to fix blurry images. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning, smash that subscribe button below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me make more tutorials just like this one.